Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make firecracker tofu and coconut rice. Combine rice, coconut milk, 1 3/4 cup water, and salt in a medium pot and bring to a boil. Stir, reduce heat, and cover. Simmer for 20 minutes. Take off heat and let sit for about 10 minutes with the lid on. Whisk together shoyu, sesame oil, sriracha, chili sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger, cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons water to make a sauce. In a medium-large non-stick pan, sauté the tofu in a bit of sesame oil and shoyu to cover the bottom until crispy and browned on both sides. Remove from the pan. Now sauté the carrot bell pepper until crisp tender. Add in the sauce and simmer until thickened. Add back the tofu, bok choy, and green onion and stir until the tofu is coated and the bok choy and green onion are lightly cooked. Serve over rice and enjoy. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.